Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an
मर के जिए एक पल जीने दो
kapor ko kesentam bat kapor ko kodor tam nam ta ki samla samhai jongkari india berkoi mentah ni halai ka ni kimi samla puli sibun na borok ki banta jong seslong ban pia ya jinglai ju ka jingkeli jong ka exam jong kanit NEET bat kani 80 ya karin dia berkoi ni bakoi na kiseng ba jongrin dia dan semua boleh mengikat cockroach contoh parti kebelami ban pengki polo ikari berkoi ni baku mai gaji ki hari India jengi perbuat nyemyo ya gaji besar bahak nyemyo ya kata gaji kan kapkoi kamar bagi dong sisa jengi gila dan bor ban ipen kemaklai kabor yang mentah ni adalah jengi ngiru kasapka celaji kadang sabjar kamsam lai kena do cepat ba kapelok ni kena samla bekemi banyaki kita sisiu ni hakini si hapo jantan mutadeli bagam di sapom di sakit bagam ke jingdawa punya skin do ya menteri jabatan provinsi sarkar India kunjuk dan dawa pensitam ya kita berhenti hak jelai tu yang dikelian mat bon ki macam break belakhlak ki belado bat kiam kisam jengkiru ki fly ke tiura om dan jibut cu ban ile exam dapat perhai kelawai ke jongki yo iru hadir kidoki ante hadeli hajantan mentar baki bulet ki pungkam kelai kamu artika baki bulet jong kari India ki bulet deli berjada yo bai ba ki dai solai baki kisim kabu ki penstom bat nomor di ki jongki nomor kejing pentu pentim ki bulet ki samla de kai kejing lang ko bapelong ni kelong bagi ni samla akim kwa makari India ki tolong kum ka Nepal, ke Bangladesh, ke Sri Lanka. Katik kapor entah apa, utamlah udang kapor, utamlah udang kejimut per kepakai mati cari kari, kejim kulit jangli, apa kila bankiu banyak ni, ya kaperkai, ya kop kaperkai, ya wajibta. Yang tahan ni kesemla kilon kemban bansumi banyak keren, banyak tu yang kecil miki pada aja kesan, ya kesemla wiki apa lu tu ngap yang dia tu kejongki.
Student's life is not a video game. We do not have many lives to live. Once a life is gone, it's gone. If you continuously have people leave, then you might as well tell us how much hard work are we supposed to do, because these people leaves are happening because you've already MLA, son or daughter is already planned out at the university. Why are you working hard if you already have all these given the seats to others? Why are we supposed to continuously prepare ourselves for the exam over and over again if we already know we're not going to be passing it? So why?
Police are using force against the students who are protesting. What's your view on that?
My view on that is the recent interview between when a reporter asked one of the female officers why are the name tags not there, and she said garmi lagi thi. What? Does that even make sense? That once you're feeling hot, you remove the name tag? You are not allowed. As police officers, you work for the people. You not you work under IT orders. You work for us. You work to protect us, not to beat us. To my friends who are protesting here right now, I support you guys wholeheartedly. We are here to support you because we know what's right. right.
Thank you.
My family, my mother is also here. We've come here to support what's happening in Delhi, and we're standing here in a peaceful gathering to give solidarity to the students those who have also lost their lives because of the NEET leak papers and those who have committed suicide. We are there. We've come here to support them and their families as well. And yeah, so basically, we just want to show that we will practice our rights and demand from the government what we deserve, especially for us, the youth, who make the whole part of this country, majority part of this country.
You condemn on that.
Government have been using force against the students who have been protesting.
Pardon?
We have seen that the government has
That is not right, and that is, of course, on legal grounds, that is what is bad, and they are trying to put that on the system, which is wrong. They have come there, they were there just to do a peaceful protest and peaceful march, and the aggression that they have shown, many students have gone to admitted to the hospital, have been injured. I know some persons fell to the last charge, and that is extremely wrong, and it should not be like that, of course. And I believe in the justice system, and I hope that they stand with the students and they do something about it.
also youth.
And that we are united